A lot of the challenges that we face today are cross-cutting. They don't sit in a single discipline, they don't sit even in a single agency. And it takes teaming in new ways to try and find our way. From the federal agencies that gathered here yesterday, at our extreme weather event, the head of NOAA, and we had the head of USGS online all day, and EPA, we had NASA, we had, academic partners, and it was convening of people who are looking to do things beyond their own agencies, across the elements to try and solve problems that don't really land in anyone's domain. They're all looking to have an impact. It's nice to be partnered with a university that works hard to push science into operations. And the National Weather Center here is one of these hallmarks, but it's not the only place here. There is a real interest in operational impact to the nation, and so it's a great place to come and talk with people and see what's going on and see what we can harness for our problems we have in the homeland.